Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Xperia 10IV and you need to hard reset the phone, but the screen is locked and you don't have the pin code. We can actually bypass that pin code and get rid of it completely. This will also wipe all other data off the phone, but if you want to do that, it's pretty easy to do. We can go ahead and start right now. First things first, you just need to have your phone turned off. And once your phone is turned off, you can just go ahead and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. You're going to hold it for a few seconds, and when the phone vibrates that it's turning on, you can let go of the power button and just keep holding the volume down button. And that will eventually open up a recovery menu like this. If it doesn't quite work, you can turn it off and try it again. Sometimes the timing isn't quite right. Anyways, you'll use the volume button here to toggle down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select. Then it will take you to this confirmation screen where you'll toggle down to factory data reset. And again, you'll hit the power button to confirm it. Keeping in mind, as soon as you hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your phone. And then once that's done, you can hit the reboot system now button. The phone will turn off and turn back on like it was the day that it came out of the box.